Today in this video, we will show you how to use live chat effectively. We can go to live chat from the BotGenius's navigation menu. Click on the live chat option. This is the new look of the live chat. There is a search box for subscribers, as well as for message window. We can search for a subscriber from here. Just start typing, and it will show you the search results. We can also search for anything from the chat window. There is a back button. If we click on the back button, it will take us back to the dashboard. Let's get back to the live chat again. We have incorporated a valuable feature which allows you to enable or disable notifications. By keeping the notification enabled, you will receive a sound alert ensuring that you never miss a message on the live chat. You can enable or disable this feature just by clicking on the notification icon. Then there is an option for reloading the live chat. Then, we have mark as option. We can mark a message to read, unread, archived or unarchived. Let's mark this conversation as unread. Look, the status has changed to unread. Live chat also has the option to switch back and forth. If we have multiple WhatsApp bot accounts connected, just click on the drop-down list, and select your desired account. From the subscribers list, we can select a user and start replying to them, or monitor the bot conversation. We can also send bot templates, or message templates to the subscriber. Just click on the robot icon, and select the bot template or message template. We can perform various actions for a subscriber in the chat, such as unsubscribing them, pausing the bot's replies, and resetting their input flow. We can also assign a message to our team members. From the assigned agent, select an agent for this conversation. We can add a label and add a sequence to this conversation. We can also add a note for teams. Finally, we need to save it. It shows some information about the subscriber. It shows whether this user has unsubscribed or not, and whether the bot reply is on or off. Also, whether the subscriber is inside or outside of the 24-hour window. We can also see if any message is assigned to me, and sort out the unread and archived messages from tabs. If you don't have created any team members yet, let's see how to create team members. From the dashboard, let's go to the user and team. Click on the Create button, and select New Team Member. Put a name and email. Put a password. Select the rule as a team. Select bot accounts for which you want to give permissions. We can also add e-commerce stores. Finally, click on the Create button. Now, you will be able to see this user as an agent on the live chat. Live chat notifications on the dashboard. Now, the live chat is more engaging and more powerful. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.